Hey, what's up guys? As you can see, we are on to our next topic, and today's topic is going to be on giveaway launching strategy. Guys, firstly, personally I don't recommend launching through giveaways, but if you want, and if you're a complete beginner and want to try how this giveaway method works, then you can give it a try, and I will show you how you can do a giveaway launch. As there are many websites for launching your product through giveaways, but the one that I used at when I first starting out selling on Amazon, at the time I did giveaway, and the website that I used was JumpSend. It was a part of Jungle Scout, but what they have done now is they have bundled their JumpSend in this $49 per month package, guys. As you can see here, it's product promotion. This is their giveaway. Now they before they used to call it JumpSend, now they are calling it Jungle Scout launch, guys. So this product promotion is their giveaway platform, guys. As you can see, it comes with the $49 per month package. After you join the package, you will get this product promotion service and can launch your product through this method. One thing to keep in mind is that, guys, if you as I mentioned you earlier, if you are promoting your first product, then you have to set your price below your profit point. But what not to do is, guys, that as I mentioned you earlier, that you have to set your minimum order quantity at 1. You may remember I have mentioned you earlier in my previous video that Amazon by default set it at 10 per piece, 10 per customer, but what you have to do is you have to set it to 1 per customer, guys. You can do it from your this product promotion method also, but you have to keep in mind that if you are launching your product through giveaway promotion, then you have to set your minimum order quantity to 1 in Amazon listing, guys. Next, guys, I have set an example for you. I have come to Amazon website, and as I type this product, this is only for example, garden hose, and what I will do now is I will run a Jungle Scout on this product. Remember, guys, this garden hose is our keyword for now, and as we run Jungle Scout on this product, you can see the sales data comes up, guys. So what you have to keep in mind is that, guys, if you want to rank your product through giveaway, then you have to bid on particular keyword, guys. And then what you have to do is, if you promote your product for garden hose keyword, then what you have to do is you have to give away, this is only for example, if your top listing, if your first top 10 listing are selling around 150, here you can see they are selling around 150, 84, 373, 310, 927, 65, 133, 50. And then if you want to come here in this first page, in this here on 56th number, then what you have to do is you have to give away 200 units per day. As you can see, their average is around 150, 370, 360, 130. Then you have to keep in mind and observe this listing, and you have to give away around 200 units per day for garden hose keyword, guys. So you have to give away your product around 200 units per day for at least you have to do for 7 days, guys. You have to do 200 units per day for 7 days. That way Amazon will track your data and keep your listing on this 6 to 7 page. But as I mentioned earlier, I don't recommend you doing through your launching your product through giveaway method, as it's not too much profitable. But if you want to give it a try, then you can do it by your own, guys. So hope you guys got example and idea on how this giveaway method works.